We can all agree that this morning is starting out better than yesterday, so at least we have a better start. Now, as far as how the rest of the day will go, that is the question.
I think you're going to like the answer. It'll turn out to be a pretty nice day today. Temperatures may not get as warm as they've been getting. I think a lot of us are going to get close to 70, but that's it. It all depends on how much blue in the sky we get to hang on to and how soon those clouds start to come on back. I do expect those clouds to thicken up a bit overnight and during the day tomorrow. And we're going to bring back more of that humid feel tomorrow, too, as all of a sudden we start to look for the next chance to get wet on Sunday. But that's Sunday. Today's Friday. We see a few clouds in a couple of spots. And I guess with the surge of warmer air that's coming, and there is going to be a surge of warmer air by tonight and tomorrow, we could see an isolated shower or two, but I'm not counting on it. Right now, the air is pretty dry, and things are looking pretty good out there. It's 46 in Thomasville. It's 51 in Valdosta and 52 in Tallahassee. We see those dew point numbers way back down in the middle and lower 40s, so the air pretty dry. Makes it real hard for any showers to happen when the air dries out like that. Now we're at 48 in Marianna. It's 48 in Liberty County. It's 57 at Alligator Point. In Monticello, we're at 49. It's 47 in Moultrie and 54 in Perry. There's a little breeze doing its best to stir things up so we don't find a lot of fog out there. This morning, the breeze is from the northeast. It'll turn more towards the south and southwest, and that's where that warmer air comes from tonight and tomorrow, and that will change things up a little bit tomorrow. So it's going to be a changing forecast, but I don't think it's going to be a muggy or a foggy one, not for us today. There will be some clouds at times today. There will also be some sunshine. That surge of warmer air gets going. We've set things up for Sunday when the next boundary gets here to have plenty to work with, and I do think showers and storms are a big part of the Sunday morning forecast. We'll see how long into the day that lasts. We got a couple of days to fine-tune that for you, and we'll have updates all weekend. The air behind that rain significantly cooler, so we're going to take a big step back to more February-like feeling weather. We're not talking frosty freezes or anything like that, but definitely different than what we've been getting accustomed to for the past couple of weeks. And that may shock some of the plants that are starting to get tricked into thinking that it's already springtime out there. I do see maybe an isolated sprinkle at times tonight or tomorrow. I'm not counting on it, but I think it could happen because we are going to bring that surge of warmer, more humid air. And then that boundary moves across the area on Sunday. It gets in. It should get out by Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. That's when we turn the winds back around and bring in that cooler, drier air again. And now that air is much, much cooler. There is big cold going on across the country, and some of that is going to find its way to the east starting Monday. On the Gulf today, northeast and east winds 10 to 20, seas 2 to 4 feet. We'll put our outer chop in the protected waters. We'll call it partly cloudy today, 40s and 50s this morning. I think we've got a chance to get to 70, or at least close to it. A mixture of clouds and clear. Tonight we'll keep those rain chances like 10, 20%, that's all. But we'll start to increase the clouds. A lot of us will stay in the mid-50s or maybe even closer to 60. And here comes that extended forecast where the rain chances on Sunday bring in the cooler air for Monday. We're going to wake up in the 30s in spots Monday and Tuesday, and those high temperatures on Monday might not get back to 60.